Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Fusion key battery. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh coin cell battery. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this process much easier. Always consult your owner's manual or check your existing battery for the correct type, such as a CR2032 or CR2025, before you begin. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indent, usually on the side or bottom edge. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old coin cell battery. Now, take your new battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear a secure click, indicating they are properly sealed. Once reassembled, immediately test all the functions of your key fob to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.